Hoan Kiem Lake. The heart of Hanoi. Hoan Kiem Lake is one of Hanoi's most iconic landmarks, deeply intertwined with Vietnamese history and national pride. According to legend, King Le Loi returned a magical sword to the golden turtle in the lake, symbolizing the country's resilience and freedom. Surrounded by cultural gems like Ngoc Son Temple, the Huc Bridge, and Turtle Tower, the lake offers a captivating blend of history and tradition. Visitors can enjoy a variety of activities, from morning Tai Chi to scenic walks and bustling night markets. The area is also a paradise for food lovers, featuring everything from traditional street food to fine dining with picturesque views. The best times to visit are during spring and autumn or in the early morning and evening to fully embrace the lake's changing atmospheres. Located in the heart of Hanoi, Hoan Kiem Lake is easily accessible and serves as a gateway to nearby attractions like the Old Quarter and St. Joseph's Cathedral. A timeless symbol of Vietnam's cultural heritage, Hoan Kiem Lake remains a must-visit destination for both locals and travelers alike.